Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.
Hi everybody, my name is Pilar and I just wanted to give you a quick couple tips on how to make your kitchen and the bar that you're building at home a little bit more sustainable. It's really important to me that I don't use a lot of single-use plastics and that I go reusable anytime I can. So we're going to talk about the most obvious one, straws. This was a huge thing about a year ago, but they're super cheap. You can find them at Big Lots, you can find them at Target, and oftentimes they come with a little brush that you can clean your straw with. They're even dishwasher safe. They're super fun, and sometimes you can even find them in metal. Another thing is, you want to do the reusable ice cubes. Not only are they super cute, but all you need to do is just wash them with warm water and soap, toss them back in your freezer, and it's not going to water down your drink or anything. Next, a lot of you probably already do this already, but reusable cups. This one I got from my dad, and it looks like a little camera lens, but it keeps your drinks hot. And this one, you can even find it at, am I allowed to say the name? You can find it there. You can find these anywhere, and they're great. They're not really dishwasher safe, so you are gonna have to get comfortable washing with a sponge and everything like that, but it really cuts down on the amount of plastic that ends up in our oceans and our landfills and everything. And last tip, I saved the best for last because I'm really excited about this. Instead of using paper towels, go for things that you can just throw in your washer or just wash by hand. This was made by a friend of ours. Pouring with Pilar. I'm a barista. I'm really excited about it. And it helps me where anytime I'm like, oh no, I'm not using like a paper towel. So these are just a couple tips that you can do so that when you start building your own bar at home, it's more sustainable and it's more eco-friendly. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.